In John 16:33, Jesus tells his disciples, I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. This is not only for the disciples, but for you and for me. There will be troubles in our life, struggles in our way. God never said you will have a peaceful or happy life in this world, but rather there will be troubles. Troubles can be in any form: financial issues, health issues, problems in families, struggling with faith. There will be different kinds. But remember one thing: Jesus himself said to his disciples that he had overcome the world. So he knows the situations we are facing, the struggles we are going through in our day-to-day life. He will be there to help us with all our troubles, worries, and anxieties. The only thing is, you need to be united with Him and trust in Him. At the appointed time, He will raise you from all your worries. Amen.